Chris Penn here, National Factory Trainer with the Bosch Home Comfort Group. Today I'm going to talk about the A2L Accessory Box, why you need it, when to use it, and how to wire it. So why do we need it? The reason we need this box is to utilize the A2L mitigation system, which, upon detecting a refrigerant leak into the airstream, will turn off the outdoor compressor or disconnect any signal going to the outdoor unit and activate the indoor fan speed too high or 100% to disperse or dilute any mildly flammable refrigerant that is leaked out. So when do we need to use this accessory box? The accessory box is used for when you're installing any of our new R-454B IDS condensing sections paired with our BMAC case coil on either an older Bosch Revision 2 furnace or a third-party furnace of your choice. Whether you recently installed another manufacturer's gas furnace or you have an oil burning furnace and you're not quite ready to replace yet, the A2L accessory box is what you'll need for the mitigation system to work correctly and operate with your new IDS heat pump system. So let's get started. You'll begin by removing the cover and mounting the A2L box to the BMAC coil. You can place it either on the front or the two sides with the help of the included template using 3/8" sheet metal screws through the two pre-drilled holes. And don't worry, we've given you enough wiring to land the connections inside the furnace. With the box mounted to the case coil and the cover removed, we can locate the A2L sensor wiring harness from the case coil and route it into the accessory box and connect to the white Molex plug here on the circuit board. If we're using the communicating method, we need to connect the P and Q terminals from the accessory box to the outdoor unit. For communication applications, we recommend using shielded wire for this installation. If we are using the 24-volt method, you will need to disconnect the PQ harness from the board here and connect this field-supplied 4-pin connector for the Y1, W, B, and C terminals here. Then we'll need to switch the SW7-1 dip switch to the on position, which now makes it non-communicating at this point. Again, you can land these connections in the furnace or a junction box using field-supplied wiring with or without supplied conduit. Next, we'll go ahead and connect the thermostat connections using the center wire harness according to your application configuration. And lastly, we'll connect the lower wire harness on the accessory box to the furnace according to the applicable wiring diagram. Now, if your installation requires an audible alarm in the event of a refrigerant leak, whether it is a residential or commercial application, you may use the factory-supplied orange harness to connect to the CN34 terminal block here on the board. It is important to note these contacts are a normally open set of dry contacts. And that's it. Your current furnace is now A2L ready. The A2L sensor that is factory installed inside the case coil will now monitor the system for refrigerant leaks into the airstream, and the accessory box will direct the furnace and outdoor controls accordingly. If you want to learn more about our product lineup or additional training available, please visit our training page at bosch-homecomfort.us/training to sign up. If you feel you've missed anything or would like to learn more, please leave your comments below and consider subscribing to our channel.